Welcome to MST School of Trading once again. So people are asking about Forex market. So I will be releasing video one by one like Bitcoin, US dollar. Now I have chosen. So now what I am going to do, go to the indicator settings and give reset settings. So whatever is coming in the default mode, that you can take. So I'm keeping in 15 minutes time frame. So now you can see what has happened today. So here you can, I'm showing you only with the default settings. Okay. So now market has opened, sell activated, SL hit, second buy activated, all the targets hit, SL was safe. See here this high, here buy is not activated, here SL not hit, here only buy activated, all the targets hit. Is it clear? So whichever targets you want to keep, you can keep tiny targets or small targets, whichever you want to keep, that you can trade. So our trading system is very simple, very simple. If SL hit, reversal entry, that's all, nothing else. Again you see market has fallen from the top side and here we got our buy entry, exactly pin to point entry, we got exact pin to point entry here. And immediately we have got 3 targets achieved here. From here to here, perfect reversal. How it is possible in the Forex market? The indicator is created by Indian, but it is working for all the markets. So that is the beauty of our indicator tool. So this is with the default settings. But we have here different Forex method also that you can test. Depending on the market type, you have to change it. Okay, depending on the market type, you have to practice whichever is working better, that you can keep it. But we have tested only default system. So depending on the market type, that you keep. And today the trend was very trending market, that's why in all the market type, first entry was SL hit and second entry only we got the entry. And here if you see very closely, it has formed one M pattern, and here we have got one bearish R3C pattern, perfectly bearish R3C pattern, and we have got the entry. Okay, so this is with the default settings. And what other method we have to make profit from the Forex market? The second method is dynamic zone. So dynamic zone you keep here, give OK and change to 30 minutes time frame, so that you will get high accuracy. See here, again here same method. What is the method? This is the supply zone and this is the demand zone. From the supply zone we have got perfect bearish R3C pattern, low broken, again we got the retracement, here we got the entry at 26,757 something, and see the low 26,165, around 1,500 points profit in the Bitcoin. So where we will get such a profit? Go to the previous day, see what happened. Previous day what happened? Previous day buy activated, see the profit. So from here to here exactly targets hit. Once again it come down, did not touch our buy zone, it has shooted up, and from there it has fallen. So how much profit in a single indicator with a different system? And previous day we have got no entry. This cannot be considered as the entry, but it has come very near to our buy zone. Okay, and previous day what happened? Sell activated. Whichever gets activated, that's only you have to give more importance. Okay, so from here to here perfectly all the targets hit. Once again when the market is reversing with the bullish R3C pattern, you can go for the entry. Again here sell side, it has not broken the zone, it has come down. See how many times it is respecting our zone. Scroll down, go back and see the perfection, perfectly pin to point entry. From here to here profit, from here to here profit. So whichever you take, see here from here to here profit. So this indicator is now repainted indicator. These indicators are not repainted indicator, so you can make good profit. Only thing is you should trust the system. So next options what we have to make profit in forex market. Scroll down. This I have given wonderful option. Intraday bullish bearish market. Whenever this green line is broken with a good volume, you go for the buy, I mean long. Whenever the red zone is broken, go for the sell. That's all. Sometimes sell also will hit. We are not telling that you will get always profit. So this also possible. And this one will be working in a longer, higher time frame. Suppose if you are keeping this in a weekly time frame or monthly time frame, you will get the perfect accurate level. Perfect accurate level. See, from there, from where it has reversed, from our resistance zone it has reversed. So all these are possible with our indicator. Only thing is you have to practice. And what is the another method I have? This trend zone I have added. Whenever the market is above this three lines, market is in buy trend. Whenever it is breaking this zone and going below that level, it is a sell trend. That's all. You can make good profit in a higher time frame. Even in 1 minute time frame also you can make scalping trade. This is another method. Next method what I have, you can use session breakout. If you know any particular market opening time, you can use particular session, and you can use session high, session low. All these I have given here. So maximum features a trader wants from the trading market, I have added everything here. And in a single moving average, I have kept customized super trend, trend line, trend signal, zero lagging moving average, and all the commonly available moving averages. See here. So whichever you want, that you can use. So our indicator is working in all type of market. In all type of market. So yesterday buy activated, all targets get. If buy activated, there is no sell. See here, buy activated, how much profit it has given. How much profit it has given. This is the international market, 24/7. It will be on. No, it will be working. So let us see, 9 o'clock. Then when the market has opened, 9:15, immediately next day market has opened. So there is no halt, there is no changes here like Indian market. So it keeps on running. So from here to here we got the profit. From here to here, how much profit? 26,000 to 26,800. So 800 points profit you have got from buy and into targets level. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. Only one word we can say, one tool for all. We are telling you for educational purpose, educate yourself, invest on yourself, keep making profit. Hope this is clear. If you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share, and give your valuable comments and suggestion. The most valued suggestion comments will be honored. Thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all happy profitable day ahead.